Hey there, darlings. This is your Auntie Sia, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use our Abundance Prosperity Spell Kit. And this is everything that is included with your spell kit. It comes with the anointment oil that's specifically made and charged for abundance, prosperity, being a money magnet. It also includes this green candle, and we need these two together because you're going to anoint the candle with this particular oil. And of course, the star of the show, the Orange You Rich Incense Powder. And you can't have an abundance prosperity spell kit without the main star. It also comes with your sacred scooper. Now, this is different than the one for the easy life. It's longer, it's more sleek, and actually I like this one just as much as I like the scooper that is included with your easy life spell kit. And of course, it comes with the sacred conjure tray. This is what we're going to put the incense powder inside. Now, whether you buy the incense powders, no matter what variety you purchase, all of them come with instructions. All of them. So whether you buy them by themselves or you purchase them in a spell kit, we make sure that each purchase has instructions. We don't want you to be guessing on this. And especially if you are a beginner, we have something that's going to hold your hand the entire way. Now, if you're advanced, you ain't got to worry about any of this. So please remember the spell kit, or if you buy an incense powder of any variety by itself, they're all going to come with an instruction kit. The instruction sheet. Now, also with the instruction kit, all of them come with an enchantment paper where we have your intention chant or your prayer. And this is the one I've been using for over 20 years. Gets rave reviews from my customers and clients. And it's up to you. This is not necessary. If you have your own prayer, you can say a scripture, you can have your own mantra. It's up to you. Remember, there is no one way of doing this type of spell. So I have included this in with all of the spell kits so that you can use it at your own discretion. You can use it at your own discretion. So with that said, I'm going to show you how to use all of these goodies right now. Okay, what we're going to do is first take our anointment oil that was made specifically for this abundance prosperity kit. We're going to take the green candle and we're going to anoint the bottom part of the candle. Put a drop right there and drop right there. Look at all that. See how much oil is there? And that's why I said, even though this little bottle is small, it will last you just as long as the incense powder. So when you run out of this, you're still going to have a little bit of this oil left. And so what we're going to do is we're going to start from the base and we're going to run upward all the way up to the wick, turn it over to the other side, and one more like that. Okay, that looks good. And I'm not going to do the honey or the wax this time because this is an obedient candle. It wants to work for you. So I don't have to do that on this particular candle. But you all know that if you have a candle that's uneven, put some honey or other wax from another candle at the bottom. Now we're going to put the oil to the side and we're going to open up our Orange You Rich Incense Powder. I'm going to take out a scoop like this. Put it right there in the center. It's okay if it falls out ugly. We're going to pretty it up in a minute. Close the port cap. Put your scooper there. Like I said, some people can make a little mound with the scooper if you want to. I told you all I'm a hands-on type of gal. So I'm going to make it into a small mountain, just like that. Look at there. Okay, that's about as pretty as I'm gonna get it. just perfection over here. Now, what you do is you're going to light the incense first, and then we're going to light the candle. Like that. Blow it out with the little flame on there, and then we're going to light the candle. There. And we're going to set the timer at 3 minutes. I'm so sorry I forgot to tell you all. You're supposed to set your timer at 3 minutes. You take out your intention chant or your prayer, your scripture, anything that you have personally that you want to send out into the ethers, you want to send out to the universe to make you a money magnet, abundance and prosperity chant, mantra, or prayer. So, like I told you, waste not, want not. So since I have already started this, let me put this to good use. And when I'm back, the timer would have already counted down. So when we come back to this part, we'll be down to like, I guess, 1 second or the timer is off. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so the time is up. And as you can see, this incense is still burning. Now, sometimes what I do, like I told you in the last video, I'll play with my incense and I'm still visualizing it. I want to make sure all of that is burning on the sides, even though what I'm doing is probably expediting the burn. But it's up to you. Like I said, there's no wrong way of doing this. So once you're finished, you can sit here and you can continue to meditate. But once the 3 minutes is over, you can go ahead and actually close out of your ritual. So what you do with that, if you don't want to continue to meditate and pray, you can go ahead and snuff out your candle. Do not blow it out. You can snuff it out. You can do it with your fingers, but you got to be a professional with that. So what I do is just slap it out. That's how I do it. I slap it out or clap it out. It's either way, the wind from your hands is going to snuff out the candle, but you don't blow it with your breath. So, and that's about it. That's how it works there with the Abundance Prosperity Spell Kit. If you have any questions, feel free to send me a direct message or email, and I'm more than happy to help. Okay? Bye now.